Honda RV camper parked near a serene lake, surrounded by trees. Birds chirp, and the sun rises in the background. Scene 1. A family of 4 steps out of the camper, looking refreshed and excited. Voiceover calm, inviting tone. Adventure is calling, and the Honda RV camper is here to take you there. Scene 2. A montage of the family enjoying their day, setting up a picnic, fishing by the lake, and hiking through lush trails. Voiceover. Designed for those who crave the outdoors, it offers comfort, versatility, and Honda's legendary reliability. Scene 3. Inside the camper, the mother prepares coffee in the kitchenette while the children play a board game at the dining table. Voiceover. With a fully equipped kitchenette, ample storage, and cozy interiors, the Honda RV camper ensures you feel at home wherever you go. Scene 4. The father uses the camper's solar-powered charging station to plug in his devices, while the mother relaxes on the fold-out bed, reading a book. Voiceover. Advanced features like solar power and eco-efficient technology make it the perfect companion for sustainable travel. Scene 5. The family gathers around a campfire under a starry sky, the camper glowing softly in the background. Voiceover. From sunrise to starlight, the Honda RV camper lets you create memories that last a lifetime. Closing scene. The camper driving away on a scenic road, surrounded by breathtaking landscapes. Voiceover. Wherever the road takes you, Honda is with you, your journey begins here. Text on screen. Honda logo and tagline. Text. Honda RV camper. Explore boundlessly. Take care and subscribe my YouTube channel.